Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make nutritious meals without breaking the bank. If you're tired of thinking that eating healthy means spending a fortune, then stick around because I'm going to share practical tips that will help you save money while still enjoying delicious and wholesome food. Whether you're on a tight budget or just want to be more mindful of your spending, these tips will make healthy eating affordable and achievable. Let's dive right in. 1. Plan your meals. One of the most effective ways to eat healthy on a budget is to plan your meals in advance. This may sound simple, but it's a game changer. Start by setting aside some time each week to create a meal plan. By planning your meals, you can make a shopping list of only the ingredients you need, avoiding impulse buys and food waste. Look for recipes that use similar ingredients so you can buy in bulk, which often costs less. A well-thought-out meal plan can help you stretch your dollars further while ensuring you have nutritious meals all week long. Websites like the USDA and Healthline recommend planning meals around affordable staples like rice, beans, and seasonal vegetables. To buy in bulk and focus on staples. Next, let's talk about shopping smart. One of the best ways to save money is by buying in bulk. Items like grains, beans, oats, and frozen vegetables are not only nutritious but also more affordable when purchased in larger quantities. Consider investing in bulk bins at your local grocery store, which often offer better prices than prepackaged options. Focus on staples that provide a solid nutritional foundation for your meals. For example, beans and lentils are great sources of protein, while brown rice and whole wheat pasta offer complex carbohydrates. These staples are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to stir-fries and salads. According to the American Heart Association, these foods are both budget-friendly and nutrient-dense. 3. Choose seasonal and frozen produce. Fresh produce can be expensive, especially if it's out of season. But here's the good news: seasonal fruits and vegetables are often cheaper and more flavorful. Check out local farmers markets or grocery stores for deals on seasonal produce. If fresh produce isn't in your budget, don't overlook frozen options. Frozen fruits and vegetables are picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen to lock in nutrients, making them just as healthy as fresh, and sometimes even more affordable. Studies show that frozen produce can be a great option for those on a budget while still providing essential vitamins and minerals. 4. Cook at home and batch cook. Eating out can quickly drain your wallet, and often, the food isn't as healthy as what you can make at home. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, making it easier to eat healthy. Try batch cooking, which means preparing larger quantities of food and storing portions for later. This not only saves you time during the week, but also ensures you always have healthy meals on hand, reducing the temptation to order takeout. According to Harvard Health, cooking at home is one of the best ways to improve your diet while saving money. 5. Limit processed foods. While convenience foods may seem cheaper upfront, they can add up quickly and are often loaded with unhealthy ingredients. Processed foods tend to be high in sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to various health problems. Instead, focus on whole foods, those that are minimally processed and closer to their natural state. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins not only nourish your body but also keep you fuller for longer, reducing the need for frequent snacking. By cutting back on processed foods, you'll not only save money but also improve your overall health. So there you have it, 5 practical tips for eating healthy on a budget. Remember, it's all about being mindful of your choices, planning ahead, and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods. By making small adjustments to your shopping and cooking habits, you can enjoy nutritious meals without breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on healthy living. And let me know in the comments, what are your favorite budget-friendly meals? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.